Hello everyone, my name is Daniel, and in this video, I would like to share about why I started this YouTube channel. So actually, this is not my first YouTube channel. I have another channel which talk mainly about investment, personal finance, managing money, social media marketing, and stuff like that. And so, I started this YouTube channel as my second channel. What is the reason that I start this channel? So the first reason is that I would like to share about my investment journey. A lot of people might think this is a boring topic, but for me, I love this topic so much since this kind of concept, the concept of investment, has helped me to increase my income and then build another source of passive income, multiple source of income. That's why I fall in love in this topic. And I know that this investment will one day bring me toward my financial freedom. So what is financial freedom? Financial freedom is basically a condition in which all of your asset is making you enough money, even more than your expense. So even if you don't work, even if you are not working anymore, you don't do any active income, even if you don't take any job, even if you are not working anywhere, even if you don't work in a company, you can still make money out of your assets and you still have enough money more than your expense. So even without a work, you can make a living out of your investment. For example, if you have an expense of around maybe $3,000 a month just to live or survive, to buy food, maybe rent, groceries, and internet and stuff like that, and your passive income is much more than that. For example, your passive income is $4,000 a month, then basically you are free financially. Of course, there will be several steps toward achieving that financial freedom. Maybe I will cover that in the upcoming video. Okay, the second reason why I started this channel is because I want to train my English. So for me, English is not my mother tongue. My mother tongue is, of course, is Indonesian because I came from Indonesia. I was born in Indonesia and then I live in my country for more than 10 years. So basically, I'm full Indonesian. However, actually, I've been learning English for a long time, but since I'm not practicing that a lot, that's why my English is not so good. But still, by making this video, by making this channel, I hope that I can increase my skills, especially conversational, such as daily speaking skill and stuff like that. Also, I'm not really confident in talking in English. That's why if you check at this channel has just been made, If you check on my other channel, which focus on my language, I've made more than 250 videos talking about personal finance, money making, and then investment and stuff like that. So the second reason why I start this channel is to increase my speaking skill. The third reason why I start this channel is because I want to challenge myself. Because by doing this, I'm actually challenging myself. I have put target on myself that I can produce several videos in a week. For example, in my main channel, I dedicated myself to make one video every single day. So if you check on my main channel, I post it every day. But the channel is targeted to the people in my country. So by creating this channel, I hope that I can be consistent and creating enough content in order to grow on YouTube and also to help people in the personal finance niche. Next, this is my last reason why I'm making this channel. So actually, I want to help people achieve their financial freedom. So from the age of 21, that's the first time I start investing. That's the first time I start my investment. First time I make money out of my investment. That time I was so happy because that's the first time I received my money without working actively. It's the first time that I received my money without having to work hard for it. Of course, in order to make the passive income, first you need to have some money to make that money work for you. I really love the concept of investment in which we just put our money away and then we just make that money work for us. So even if we are not working, that money will still work and make us some money. That's why I will be so happy to share about my personal finance journey. I would like to share about my investment perspective, and also I hope that this information will be useful for all of you guys. So what will be the topic of the channel? As you can see, the name of the channel is Investor Habit, but doesn't mean that the channel will focus only on personal finance, because I will also make another type of content. The topic will be a little bit diverse. I will share anything maybe related to my investment, my personal finance, maybe anything related about content creation, how to make money online, how to make money from YouTube, how to maximize your income from YouTube, how to make money as a content creator, and basically stuff like that. So if you are new in this channel, please help me by hit that subscribe button. Please like this video for me, so this video will help reaching out more people, and I hope this video will help a lot of people. That's all, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.